Welcome to another video. In this problem of exponential logarithm, which is 3 to the power x equals 10 minus log x base 2, we want to find the value of x in this problem. So what we are going to do here is, if you have 3 to the power of x equals, and here we have 10 minus, if I separate this using a law of logarithm with base of 3, so we are going to have this as log x base 3, and we divide this by log 2 base 3. And on getting to this stage, we know if 10 divides 1, we are going to find the LCM, and we have 3 to the power x equals, so log 2 base 3 will multiply 10, and we have 10 log 2 base 3 minus log x base 3, and the whole of this divides log 2 base 3. So the next thing to do is we are going to cross multiply. That is, we multiply 3 raised to the power x with log 2 base 3, and everything equals 10 log 2 base 3 minus log x base 3. So the next thing to do here is the coefficient of this log 2 base 3 will take it to the power of 2, and it becomes log of base 3. Then we have 2 raised to the power of 3 raised to the power x equals, and by apply the same thing here, so 10 comes to the power of 2, then we have 2 raised to the power 10 divide base 3 minus log x base 3. So the next thing we are going to do here is, here is a negative, and which follows the division law of indices. So which means we are going to have this as 2 to the power of 3 raised to the power x. We have base 3 equals, and both of them, they are having the same base. So which means we take a base and we divide the log 2 raised to the power 10 and divided by x, or we can just call it multiply by 1 over x. So on getting to this stage, both of them are having log of base 3, so they cancel each other. Then we have 2 to the power of 3 raised to the power x equals 1 divided by x dot 2 raised to the power 10. And to get the value of x, so what to do at this stage is we'll multiply x by 2 to the power of 3 to the power x, and here we have x dot 2 to the power 3 to the power x equals 2 to the power of 10. And to get the value of x, and here is a non-standard exponent equations, and to get it, we are going to make sure that we have x dot 2 to the power of 3 raised to the power x, and we write this power of 10 as 9 plus 1. Okay, so we have a reason for this, because I want to compare the coefficients, and to do that we have this as x dot 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power x equals, I can separate it as 2 raised to the power 9 dot 2 raised to the power 1. So getting this, I can compare this x raised to the power 1 with 2 raised to the power 1, and compare 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power x with 2 raised to the power 9. So therefore we have x equals to 2. And on getting this value of x, which is clearly that if we check for the second one, it's also going to be 2. But let's verify that as well. We have 2 to the power of 3 to the power x equals 2 to the power of 9. And we know they have the same base, they cancel each other. And here we have 3 to the power x equals 3 to the power 2. Then 3 cancel 3, where the power equals 2 and x equals 2. So which means both are corresponding to each other. And this is how this problem is solved. But let's verify from the questions if x satisfies it. So we are going to check in the problem of 3 to the power x equals 10 minus log x base 2. I have already obtained the value of x, which is equals to 2, and we have 3 to the power 2 equals 10 minus log 2 base 2. And then we know 3 to the power x equals 9. Then we have equals 10 minus, and a is log of the same base, which is 1. We have log 2 base 2, that is 1. And we know 10 minus 1, or 1 minus 10, equals 9. And 9 equals to 9, which means that x equals to 2 satisfy this problem. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos like this. And this is how I think this problem should be solved. And if you have another way of doing this, I mean a better way of doing this, you can drop it in the comment box. Never stop learning. Bye bye.